Making cake mix cookies. This one is gonna be a sugar cookie. My yellow cake mix here, and my oil, and my eggs, and my vanilla. My 9x13 pan. I like to use this to spread it, and I forgot to oil it. Throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, these are ready. I'm going to cut them. We got one son home off camera. There you go. What do you think? Is it delicious?
I rate that 3 out of 4 pizza rolls.
3 out of 4 pizza rolls, and it's a sugar cookie. I bet it's delicious.
It's pretty good. Actually, I'd give it the 4th one.
You'd give it the 4th pizza roll? Oh, actually, that's really good. Yum.